To run Flux.1 Kontext, you'll need ComfyUI. If you don't have it yet, there's a link in the description to a ComfyUI installation tutorial. The description also includes all the download links you'll need to follow this video, including this ComfyUI Flux Kontext example workflow. You'll need 3 main files to make it work: a diffusion model, a text encoder, and a VAE. First, download the diffusion model. This is the core file that generates the images. Use Flux.1 Kontext dev.safetensors if you have a more powerful GPU. If you're limited on VRAM, go with the smaller FP8 version, Flux.1 dev kontext FP8 scale.safetensors. After downloading the diffusion model, move it into the ComfyUI Models, Diffusion Models folder. This path starts from your main ComfyUI folder, which might be in a different location depending on where you placed it during setup. Next, you'll need a text encoder. This handles the prompt and converts it into something the model can understand. Use T5XXL FP16.safetensors if you're on a more powerful GPU. If not, go with the lighter option, 5XXL FP8 E4M3FN scale.safetensors. Avoid the unscaled version. It may give lower quality results. After downloading it, move your text encoder to the ComfyUI Models Text Encoders folder. You'll also need the clip L.safetensors text encoder, but this one goes into the ComfyUI Models clip folder. Finally, download AE.safetensors and move it into the ComfyUI Models VAE folder. After moving all the files into the correct folders, you can launch ComfyUI and load the example workflow. Once the example workflow is loaded, load the image you want to work on. Set the output image size if needed. And enter a prompt describing the changes you want to apply. For this example, I'll use on the beach, red hair, remove flowers, holding a cat. Once you've set everything up, click on Run. On my system with an RTX 3090, using the FP16 model and FP16 text encoder, it took the process about 1.5 minutes to finish. I'll speed this up. And here's the modified image after the process finished. You can find all generated images in the ComfyUI output folder. You can also save an image by right-clicking on it and selecting Save Image. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.